What's the meaning of auteur? Auteur. Auteur.
Auteur. Auteur. An auteur is a French term used in film criticism to describe a filmmaker who has a distinct and consistent personal style and creative vision, often reflected throughout their body of work. A director recognized as an auteur typically has a high level of control over the production process, from scriptwriting to editing, and may be seen as the primary creative force behind their films. This concept of the auteur has been debated and challenged over the years, but it remains a prominent idea in film analysis and appreciation.